250 rollover.
For those that are new to my channel, this is Police Activity Reviews, and this is all about giving commentary to police activity videos, which doesn't have any commentary to any of their videos. So it definitely helps having that context with commentary. Let's get right to it. With this one particular video, as you can see, this Nissan Altima launched in the air. It travels 120 feet after hitting this tow truck ramp, and this should not happen whatsoever. Obviously, if proper protocol was taking place, supposedly this tow truck had its emergency lights on. I don't see that happening. Obviously, there's nothing above the actual top of the vehicle, and like I said, I don't see any flashing emergency lights taking place. In this situation, I believe they should have flares at least 50 or 60 feet behind the tow truck, because this is only a 2-lane, as you can see on the right side here, it's only a 2-lane highway, and without emergency flares, someone flying down the highway, obviously with only 2 lanes, if you're in the left lane and there's another vehicle to the right, you're going to hit this ramp, and that's basically what happened here. Again, flying 120 feet, and let's show the footage. And again, something like this, I believe, could be or should be totally avoidable with proper protocol within the departments, within the tow truck companies. If it's not within the tow truck company, the police should advise the tow truck companies how to properly maintain and run things during accidents on the road. And that's exactly why this is all set up. I should mention there was a prior accident, obviously, to this, and this is why this all happened. Let's get right to the footage. And you can see with the police, clearly there are flashing lights, hazard lights on with all these vehicles. And let's show this clip. Now notice the tow truck driver in the middle of the highway comes walking towards the grassy area, and shortly thereafter, here comes the Nissan Altima, and it hits the ramp, and he's lucky nothing bad happened to him. Let's continue.
Good. If they're around 250 rollover. 1,000-second EMS immediate roll.
Unfortunately, the 20-year-old woman from Tallahassee, Florida survived this somehow. But again, this could be totally avoided with proper protocol. This is totally unnecessary if proper safety measures are taken. And definitely, people that are investigating this, people within law enforcement, and again, the tow truck companies, they should follow up and definitely change their procedure, how things are done, so this could be avoided in the future. I mean, again, this is only a 2-lane highway, and you don't have much time to react. Possibly have the tow truck park in the grassy are. I'm not sure if that's possible, if the ground is too soft, with the weight of the actual tow truck. But nonetheless, something has to be done differently. Bare minimum, have flares, again, 50 or 60 feet behind the actual tow truck. And obviously, at no point in time did we see flashing hazard lights that was reported with the tow truck. And I'm not sure where they would be with the ramp down behind the vehicle or whatnot. But anyways, a very bad situation that could have been avoided in my estimation.